What is AI used for? AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's used in various fields to perform tasks that require human-like intelligence. Here are some common applications. Number one, automation, streamlining repetitive tasks like in manufacturing, logistics, or customer service. Number two, healthcare, diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and personalizing treatments. They also assist in drug development. Number three, finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, risk analysis, and customer service automation. Number four, marketing, predicting customer behavior, personalizing recommendations, and optimizing ad campaigns. AI can be used in education, creating personalized learning paths, virtual tutors, and automating grading. Transportation, powering self-driving cars, optimizing routes like maps, and managing traffic systems. Entertainment, recommending music, movies, or shows like Spotify and Netflix algorithms. Agriculture, monitoring crops, predicting yields, and managing resources more efficiently. Retail, managing inventory, customer support, and personalizing shopping experiences. And in daily life, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, language translation, and smart home devices. AI enhances efficiency, improves decision making, and opens possibilities in almost every industry.